And I turned out, you take others Speaker of Karnataka Legislative Assembly. And so I traveled all the way from India to Tajikistan with us to explore the entire Tajik city. And let us hear from Sir what he had to say about Tajikistan and the city experience. So certainly following through.
Yeah, Tajikistan is a beautiful city with a good environment and nature. I'm very happy to visit here, to be here, and go know the culture and tradition of this country. And I'm sure that each and every tourist or students who comes to Tajikistan even very safe. Such an environment is there. People are very friendly with the men's. And I'm very happy to visit the National University of Medical as part of the College of Tajikistan, where the infrastructure is very good. And all the students are very happy. And a lot of the students from India and all other countries who are also coming there, study there for their medical science over here. So the good infrastructure and good teaching staff and faculty. This is the both for all the students of a vision and them of they're becoming their doctor who couldn't give the some reason in India. I think this is a shelter for the students to have their higher education in Tajikistan.
Yeah.
So I thank each and everyone for having this opportunity exposure. And I wish all the students are bright and good.
Mr. Tajik National University, the first national is important for international trade. Throughout the country, in India, which gives so much importance to education. What will be the impact of this offering of the National University for all the international students, especially in education and the important country like India?
I said National University of Tajikistan, where the student body will come and shelter for the students from the world, and especially from India, because Indian population is very huge. And a lot of people want to study medicine, but all this system not available in India. And due to some of the reason, and their dream is not possible.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Pakistan is very much for here.
And I'm sure that they are also providing the deferred fee payment option.
That also is there. So whatever difficulties are there, every difficulty will be, it will solve. And the vision and dream of that student, what is there,
Exactly.
what was his future, one opportunity is there.
Correct.
And the good training and education is given. Then it left to that student and companies to exhibit talent throughout the world.
How well we are feeling about the climate?
It's a wonderful climate and nature and the public and the humanity and the culture of the people.
And we'll go very
Lovely, and we are social. Not only that, before landing here, we have got a different opinion of the countries like Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, all this. The different opinion.
Yeah, people are really cautious about the safety, about the standards and norms, about the infrastructure, everything. But when we landed here, in terms of review of the government,
I think all the parents, they have to be confident. This is one of the best places, overly place where the children will be very safe and they'll get a good education.